Hey guys, so for this video I'm going to be doing a beauty cosmetic fridge and I really hope you like it. It's a custom one, custom built, and it's actually quite easy to build. This one was like probably one of the easiest builds that I've done so far. Besides these IKEA shelves. I haven't done a tutorial on it, but if you really want me to do a tutorial, I can, because really, they're actually really easy to build. You just basically place the block on top of each other and like scale it to go up above it. But yeah, anyway, so I was just gonna quickly show you guys that the original vanity that I built, I ended up redoing it because I wanted to change it up a little bit and change the height, because Roblox avatars are quite short. So with this vanity, I've basically added drawers that are like, they have like a bit of an indent, because I saw like on Pinterest a while ago that somebody had done it where it was like an indent, and I was like, I love that. That is so cute. So I figured, why not do that so I can make the drawers look a bit nicer. And the original vanity that I have, it does have those diamond handles, but for this one, you know what, it looks nicer, and you know, it's hard to do the handles. You could probably do them a lot nicer now, like considering the fact that back then I didn't know that you could actually put everything on one block, but now that you can, like I did it for this vanity, and I'll give you a little tour of it. So this vanity, I just sort of like, you know, I made it a bit shorter and, you know, like at a nicer height, and you can see that I've like changed everything up inside it, like decorated it differently. I also added these cute little My Melody and Kurumi eyeshadows. I actually have these in real life and they're so cute. I love them so much, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna add them into the game. So there they are, and so this is what my newer vanity looks like. So you could probably look at this and maybe get inspired to do your own sort of style. But yeah, this is the video for my cosmetic beauty fridge, and I'm going to add it over here because it'll look cute with my vanity. And also one more thing. Okay, I didn't make a tutorial on this, which I'm kind of bummed off that I didn't, because I was so proud of it, how it turned out. But this is a little shelf that I built. I just felt like building it, like it was a random, out of the blue. I was like, you know, just random. And so, I mean, I could do a tutorial on it. It was really difficult to make, but I'm sure that I could rebuild it. But yeah, I'm bummed off that I didn't build the tutorial. I didn't do the tutorial when I was building it. But yeah, so if you actually like this shelf, then I could do a tutorial on how to build it. But yeah, so this is my little beauty room at the moment. This is just like my little girly beauty room, and I'm slowly like decorating it over time, adding more to it, because that's how I kind of want to do this house. Like, I have a lot that I've got to do, and I want to, you know, keep building on this plot. I really love this plot. I really love the build, and my friends have also built like their own little rooms, and it's just like, it's really cute, it's really precious, and I was like, I could never get rid of this plot. But anyway, I'm sorry that I've been going on for so long, talking so long, but I really hope you like this video and get inspired to build your own little beauty fridge. And on to the video. watching my cosmetic beauty fridge tutorial, and hopefully you build your own one, because this is actually quite easy to build and very cute as well. So yeah. Anyway, like and subscribe, it really means a lot to me. I'm so grateful with all the people that are subscribing to me lately. It's just making me so happy. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching. Bye!